Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in Spotify with phone number. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Imagine having all your favorite songs, playlists, and podcasts just a click away. Spotify, the one of the world's most popular music app, has made it's super easy to log in using your phone number. No need to remember long passwords or email addresses. Just your phone number does the magic. So how to do it so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Spotify. Now you can go to your profile, but tap on the up left corner here because I've logged in with my email. I want to add another account. You can just tap on an add account. You can tap on sign up for free. There is an option continue with phone number. You can enter your phone number in here. Now tap on next. You can enter the code that Spotify sent you. You can enter your birth date. Tap on next. You can enter your email or you can just prefer not to say. You can agree for the terms and privacy policy. You can enter your name and tap on create account. You can choose three or more artists you like. I will choose this. Okay, now you can tap on done and you can just start listening. So here's your Spotify account with that you just log in with your phone number. It's so simple, right? So that is how to log in Spotify with your phone number. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.